Want to experience a city like a local, not just a tourist? Here's a perfect 7-day itinerary to dive deep into any city's culture, food, and hidden gems. Whether you're traveling to Paris, Tokyo, or New York, this guide will show you how to make the most of your week. Start your trip by checking off the must-see attractions. Get them out of the way early to avoid crowds. It's great to explore the city's iconic spots in the morning so you can spend the rest of your trip off the beaten path. Now that the major sites are done, dive into local markets and hidden gems. Find where the locals shop, eat, and hang out. Whether it's a food market in Italy or a quirky street in Japan, you'll discover the soul of the city here. One of the best ways to experience a city is through its food. On day 3, focus on tasting the local flavors. Skip the fancy restaurants and head for family-owned spots or food stalls to eat like a local. Day 4. Parks and nature. Take a break from the city hustle and explore a local park, beach, or hiking trail. Every major city has beautiful outdoor spaces that let you connect with nature, relax, and recharge. Day 5. Culture immersion. Immerse yourself in the city's culture on Day 5. Visit museums, attend a local festival, or catch a cultural performance. This is how you get a deeper understanding of the place you're visiting. Day 6. Day trip to surrounding areas. Want to see more? Take a day trip outside the city. Many cities have amazing destinations just a short ride away. Explore small towns, castles, or natural wonders just outside the urban center. Day 7. Reflect and relax. For your final day, slow down. Visit your favorite spots again. Enjoy a quiet cafe, or just take a relaxed walk. Reflect on your trip and savor the final moments before you leave. So that's your ultimate 7-day itinerary to experience any city like a local. What's your favorite travel tip? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.